Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, select Sound, and click on the switcher next to Saucer misclick next to Vibrate Phone Calls. This way you can turn off or on vibrations for your incoming calls. Now click on Shortcut to prevent ringing, and over here you can select Vibrate by tapping on it. Go back, scroll down, choose Advanced, scroll down again and click on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibrations, and Touch Vibrations to enable or disable vibrations for those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!